All right, okay. What most people fail to realize is it's not about how many strokes you can do per minute, okay? It's about the power and efficiency of the stroke. So instead of being all curled up when you're performing this movement and letting the chain rattle, which is you're disturbing the straight line path of the chain, right? So if I want you to get to a destination, would you walk in a straight line to get there faster or in a curved line? Straight line, right? So we're trying to maintain tension, but fluidity throughout the whole movement. Start at the very end, okay? So the way I look at it is we have a clock, okay? And there's 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Start at 2 p.m., okay? So let's say this is 12, 2, right? Then from here, to initiate the row, you want to go first hands, okay? Then hips, so don't bend your knees, and now knees, okay? Now, this is your end position. Some will say start position, right? Then you push back, powerful, back to 2 p.m. and extend your legs, right? But what we don't want to do is hit our chest with the chain and start letting it rattle, right?
Okay, yep.
So follow my cue. You ready?
Yep.
Okay, so hands, hips, knees. Okay, now power pull, don't hit your chest. Pause. Hands, hips, knees. Pull. Good. Hands, hips, knees. Pull. Fast. Good. Yep. But right now we're looking at timing and efficiency. So hands, hips, knees, pull. It doesn't have to be perfect, but can you see the flow? And that chain is nice and still, and I'm getting powerful strokes. It's not about how many strokes, it's about the power and efficiency. Pause, regain. Pause, regain. Does that make sense?